right, welcome back to another edition of Science with
Joey
and Brian. All right, today we have a glass tube repair shop, glass test tube repair shop. And this is our repair shop right here, okay?
Which
and Joey, will you...
vegetable oil.
That's right, and it's Crisco brand. And Joey, will you tell us what this is made out of?
Glass.
Can you gently tap it on this metal pan?
What's that called? Crisco.
Thanks to Crisco.
Thanks to Crisco.
For providing this today.
For providing that vegetable oil for all people who need it.
Yes.
And thanks to Lard of the food brand.
Yes, that's a book. That's from a book we read about. Okay.
It's called Pie.
Okay, so Joey, this is. Would you certify this is glass?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Now, real quick, what should we probably wear on our faces? What are these called? What are these called?
Safety glasses.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna put on safety glasses, and
okay, are we gonna leave it open?
And I am I'm gonna cover it up with a towel so it doesn't splatter everywhere.
Oh.
Hold on.
Sorry.
It's okay.
When you just bumped it by accident. No,
You got it. You got it. Keep going, buddy.
See?
Keep going. You got it. Good. Smash it. Okay.
Oh.
Put that. Oh. Wait. Whoa. Actually.
No.
All right. You can put it in there. Okay.
Oh. That was not uncalled for.
Yeah.
I was surprised.
Right, now.
Oh shucks. I need one.
So we're gonna put this all this glass. Let's move it over here.
I'm gonna get the big stuff out. Wait. Where's all the big stuff?
Okay, that's good. That's good, Joe. Okay, ready?
Okay.
There we go. Awesome. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover up this glass test tube repair shop.
Wait.
And we're gonna put it like this. Oh, we have a couple more pieces. Hold on.
Oh, lots more actually.
Oops.
Hey, put that in here, will you?
Okay. Now, we're gonna cover it up.
Hey.
Okay. And we're gonna say, imagine.
I'll get it. Just a beat.
Okay. So we're gonna say a magic. Yes. Magic incantation. Here we go. Abracadabra. Alakazam.
Alakazam.
I hope we don't turn this into
strawberry jam.
All right, ready? Let's see what happens here and if we repaired it. All
we
right.
repaired it.
Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. There's the test tube.
Is that the other one?
That's the one that got repaired. Isn't that pretty cool?
Where's the first one we broke?
The first one we broke is in a different container, so we had to put that aside. But this is our glass test tube repair shop right here.
Can we
and
remake it?
You might think about this. You might say, how did we do that? Well, actually, there was a test tube in here the whole time, but glass has
still more glass in there.
Yep. Glass has the same angle of refraction or bending of light, the same angle as vegetable oil. So when you put the glass in,
break it?
We're not going to break it right now, but when you put the glass into the actual vegetable oil, it looks invisible. See how it disappears, Joe? Isn't that cool? That's called refraction. And refraction's also responsible for bending light with your glasses. And it helps you to see better. Isn't that cool? All right. Thank you for joining us on another edition of Science with Joey and Brian. Please don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Science with Joey and Brian. Science. Science with Joey and Brian. Science.